Sauce, hang on. Sauce. This is a 3. Sauce, hang on. Sauce. Sex. Sauce.
Well, crap.
Screaming in public restrooms prank.
I was saying I'm on a green screen. No. Oh, crap. I'm on a green. What is that? Oh, look at this thing. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's behind me. It's behind me. And then as I'm walking here in the street, I'm telling you that you should subscribe. I don't know. Oh, crap.
my
I'm on a
gosh.
green. What is that? Again! I'm on a green screen again! Again! I'm on a green again! I'm on a green again! I'm on a screen again! I'm on a green. What is that? I was saying I'm on a green screen again! But this time I'm not alone. Wait. What? It's behind me. Okay.
Hello.
Oh my gosh! What is that over there?
Hello.
I've never seen that before. Oh my gosh! What is that over there? I've never seen that before. What is that? Don't kill me. Wait. Do you hear that song? It sounds like we're in an edit. We're in an edit right now. What are you doing? Oh. I'm counting on you guys to add an explosion effect. Wait a second. I'm trying to look in the camera. Wait.
This is a 3-second sauce.
What is that? The street. Oh. Yikes. Ew, it's a roach. I'm gonna spray it. If it's June 14th. If it's June 14th.
Round one.
Oh, these guys? They're the gorillas! They love crushing shiny rocks. Party and packed. Come! The forest! Big old green one! Lobby!
A cop pulls me over and said, "Papers." I said, "Scissors." I win. Scissors. Then he shot me 78 times. Then he shot me 70 times.
A cop pulls me over and said,
"Papers." I said, "Papers." I win. Then he shot me 78 times. A cop pulls me over and said,
If it's June 14th,
I said,
lava monkey!
then he shot me 88 times.
This movie is good. Oh, lava monkey! What's happening?
I am STD.
What?
Chicken jockey. Lol.
4 days ago, I posted this video, and I said,
Hi, my name is.
and I said, 4 days ago, I posted this video, and I said, 4 days ago, I posted this video, and I said, 4 days ago, You see, for every like this video gets, I will add 10 sound effects in my next video. So, please like, which means it's about to get really loud. Yeah! I can't even walk New cosmetics. Stop posting
About Among Us!
Stop! I open my comments expecting a comment. A comment, that's all I expect. A comment. And I open my comments and I say this. I open my comments and I say this. I see the tram emoji. Why? Stop spamming the tram emoji. Hey Vibz community, that's right, I'm talking to you. It's time to bring the community back together. Every single week I will be shout out to these 10 random news. It's time. Community news shout out to these 10 random news. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you for subscribing. Tram emoji. Now it's time for my favorite 3 pieces of tram emoji in the last week. But before I show them, if you want to have a chance to be in the video, make sure to suck my dick. It's shout out to these 10 random tram emoji. Boom, 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 boom. This movie is good. Oh. Tram emoji. What's happening?
Hi. And
Tram emoji.
A cop pulls me over and said,
Tram emoji.
I said, scissors, I win.
Subscribe if you think this update is tram emoji.
Money talks. Money talks.
Muffin, onion ring, planaba, mashed potato, cups, magno, fish, shrimp, and
What intonations?
Tram emoji. Stop posting the tram emoji.
500 stereo.
Did you know? I was Did you know the Gorilla Tag's forest map is Gorilla Tag's forest map because it has lots of
Scissors,
like
evil munch-eating bow tie guy. I say scared.
Did you know that Gorilla Tag's forest map is
Like and subscribe before. Like and subscribe before. Like and subscribe before. Eat you.
Kids, who wants to go through water park? Let's go. Oh my gosh! What is that? What is that? Oh my gosh. I'm counting on you guys again to add an explosion over there. I've never seen that before. What? You think you're the king? I'm the king! Ah! Oh crap!
look, you need to talk out.
That's easy. Look.
Oh crap, my gosh. Green. What is that?
No! No! Ohio! Let's go! Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Hello.
Let's play hide and seek.
Oh my gosh.
No!
Are you trying to leave Ohio?
No!
Are you trying to leave Ohio?
Wow! Look, I found them. Wild minigames, kids.
Hey, kids! Big ol' red one!
Yay! I got them. Nobody can stop me.
Are you trying to
Oh my god.
Hey guys, I have an important announcement.
It's my birthday! Yeah, I know. Did you know?
Oh! Oh, get juked! No! Stick to the script!
Drive into a lamppost or something solid to draw attention and to damage the car.
Oh my gosh. But this time I'm not alone. Enough dancing! Wait! Stop scrolling! Enough dancing! Let me tell you something. Let me tell you some. What is that? What is that? What is that cosmetic? Oh my gosh! What is that over there?
Hey, why are you judging us? You me, bro. Guys, do not subscribe to this guy. He judges. Guys, do not subscribe to this guy.
Anyway, I was saying I got scared, so I went to a public very excited. Public lobby, so Lucy wouldn't come kill me anymore.
If the owner of Gorilla Tag decided to quit, what would happen to the game? The creator of Gorilla Tag decided to gone, and the new owner releases updates that are not $100 million and decides to buy the game. The creator of Gorilla Tag is Game Man Curly. What would happen to the $100 million and decides to buy the game? This happens to be Dr. Reflex.
Today in this video, I will be answering because I will be questioning my fast because I hate you guys because you guys are weird. So first off, we got this question. I hate you.
I'm being attacked. It all started a few days ago when I was making a video with
Gorilla Tag just added a crazy new
Community news shoutout.
and today I actually got behind it. It started off like any other normal day. I was going for a drive
In my car.
until I smashed into a wall. I somehow crashed into a wall. I somehow crashed all the way into a wall.
I hopped into a coffee shop. I hopped, and then my jaw dropped in shock when I saw cool pants. They made me want to dance.
Enough dancing! Let me tell you something real quick before you keep scrolling. I got sick. So I've been basically sick, and shout out to Goober. I've come back to Gorilla Tag, but since I've been gone, I've lost a lot of my subscribers. What? And I need people for videos. Make sure to join Vibz' fan code.
Boy, if you don't.
You have 3 seconds. Unsubscribe. I'll see you later. Today, I went to the gun store to buy a gun because this is the gun store.
Boy, if you don't.
Today, I went to the gun store to buy a gun because this is the United States. Today, I went to the gun store to buy a gun because this is party and hats. Today, I went to the gun store to buy some because this I just got a gun. I'm of course shooting Goober. What are you doing here?
I was gonna ask you the same thing.
Hey! You guys shot me in the stomach and you got you're yesterday.
Oh, I'm a turkey guy. Yes, I'm a turkey guy. I got 6 toes and I got a big butt. Oh yeah. Gobble 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 gobble. Gobble 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 gobble. Gobble 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 gobble. Happy Thanksgiving. Yes. Gobble 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 gobble. Gobble 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 gobble. Gobble 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 gobble. I am a really big fat turkey. Oh, I'm a turkey guy. Yes, 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 I'm a say yes, I got turkey guy. I got 6 toes and I got a big toe. Oh yeah, I am really fat. Yo, this is a crazy. I got a really big fat butt and I
Finally made it to Ohio. Oh, get juice. Whoa. Oh, get juice. Stick to the script.
Alright guys, in this video we're gonna be doing an epic funny prank. Sucker. Wait!
What?
I have 10 shiny rocks for you.
What?
Come on.
Oh yeah, give me that.
Alright.
Finally, I can help the
Alright. Dang it, now I'm 10 shiny rocks in debt, buddy. Let's go to city. Did you know that the game Gorilla
Papers. I said scissors. I win. Then he shot me 78 times.
Today, I went to the gun store to buy a gun. What? Hey.
Hot lava and chicken.
Bruh. Oh, no. What?
Why? Stop spamming the drama!
Like and subscribe before I eat you.
Now watch me whip. Now watch me.
Are you watching?
Stop this stupid trend.
Did you know that the game Gorilla Tag is called Gorilla Tag because we are gorillas that play tag? Let's go to city. Did you know that the game Gorilla... Oh, crap.
Are you trying to leave Ohio?
It's evil munch-eating bow tie guy. I say scared.
It is I evil munch-eating bow tie guy.
Did you know that Gorilla Tag's forest map is called Forest because it has lots of trees, like a can't even walk around with so many
Well, I went to the about to get myself a mocha. The counter said
they love crushing shiny rocks.
And then my jaw dropped in shock when I saw a girl who had cool pants. They made me want to dance.
oh, thanks, lady. I am pretty happy, but this and it's called Christmas. What more can I say? It's about the birth of Christ, and you can't even call it something else, but it'll be something else. It's called something else. Christmas with the Christmas capital C.
Stop posting the spam emoji! Stop! I opened my comments expecting a real good comment. A real good comment. That's all I expect. A normal comment. And I opened my comments and I did it! I see the spam emoji!